In today's connected world, seamless communication is key to efficient industrial projects. But what happens when your system speaks different protocols? Enter Ocean Controls and ADFWeb protocol converters, your key to hassle-free industrial integration. There are a substantial number of protocols in today's BMS, SCADA, and PLC environments. So many that it can be exhausting to familiarize yourself with them all. Introducing ADFWeb's cutting-edge communication converters within Australia exclusively from Ocean Controls. These powerhouse devices bridge the gap between protocols, ensuring your equipment works together flawlessly. Convert Modbus TCP or RTU to BACnet MSTP or IP for smart building control, Link CAN bus or CAN open for automotive and machinery precision. And that's just the start. Our converters handle a vast array of protocols from Ethernet IP to Profibus, DeviceNet, and more. With robust design, easy configuration, and reliable performance, ADF web converters save you time, reduce downtime, and boost productivity. Trust by engineers worldwide, now available right here at Ocean Controls. Ready to connect your world? Visit oceancontrols.com.au today or call us on 0397 082390.